how to delete a Snapchat account in 2022. So first off, we want to open up Snapchat, and then we want to click on our icon, which is in the left corner. Just click on it. After you're taken to this page, you want to click on the gear icon, which is at the top right corner. Now, after we've entered the settings option, we want to scroll down to support and I need help. So just click on that. So from here, you want to accept cookies if you get this prompt, and you want to select managing my account. The very last option under managing my account says delete or reactivate my account. So if you press on that, how do I delete my Snapchat account? How do I reactivate my Snapchat account? We want to delete it, so we select the first option. And here you are given info. Basically what this says is that you can click on delete and it's going to be deactivated for 30 days. You can restore your account, or if you leave it after 30 days, it is going to be permanently deleted. So when we are taken to this page, we want to go to the accounts portal, and we need to write our username and password. As you can see, your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to see you, won't be able to contact you on Snapchat, you lose any chats. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If, however, you change your mind during those 30 days, you can go to the second option and reactivate your account. So after typing in your password right here and your username, your account will be deleted after 30 days. 30 days deactivated, then deleted. Leave a like and sub if this helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.